Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to add a new virtual machine to using KVM. So I've got my own virtual lab here set up. So I want to add a new virtual machine. So the first thing I've already downloaded the ISO, which is a Windows XP Service Pack 3. So what you need to do is, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create the virtual hard drive. So I go here to edit, then go to connection details, and then what I do is I go here to storage, and I've already got this pool selected. Now you can set up a new pool by just clicking here, going to add the name of the pool, select where browse, and then select where you want it. So you can do it that way to add a new pool. So I'm just going to cancel that because I'm going to use this pool here. So I just click on new volume. I'm going to call this Glint XP. The format is going to be QCOW2. Everything else we're just going to leave the same. So click on finish, and it'll go and create the next page. Hard disk, virtual one. So now that we've done that, we can just exit out of this, and now we can actually go ahead and install the VM. So to do that, you go to File, New Virtual Machine. As I already have the ISO, I'm just going to say Local Install. Click on Forward. The ISO is already selected, but you can just browse, and then you can go to Browse Local, and then find your ISO. Now I just click on Forward. Okay, so you can either just type in Windows. The last time I tried this, it actually found it itself. But if we just type in Windows XP, it should come up. There you go, Microsoft Windows XP. So you need to do that also. Choose a type of operating system. Usually it will automatically detect it. Sometimes you just have to go in there and find the one you're looking for, especially if it's an old OS. And then you just click on Forward, and it will come up with the best memory and CPU and stuff like that. So I just want to give it 1 gig because I can afford it because I've got 32 gigs of RAM. So and then you just click on Forward, and now if you're just going to install it as normal without using a disk that virtual disk that you created, like say if you just had everything on one hard drive and you wanted to install it in your home drive, then you go ahead and just click on Forward. But because I have a custom virtual disk that I want to install it on, or custom location, I will click here, select or create custom storage. I click on Manage, and then I just go here, and then I just click on that one there. I choose the volume. Okay, and then I go forward, and then what I'm going to do here is my network. Now I want to use this on my lab, which is an isolated network, but if you want, you can just leave it as NAT or the host device. That is the same as a bridge. So I'm just going to put on my isolated network, because if you haven't noticed here, this is actually a pfSense switch that I have running on the virtual network. So then you just click on finish, and it should automatically load it up, and then you just have to go ahead and install Windows. So I haven't installed Windows XP in a long time, so it should just go ahead and install it. Yeah, press enter to continue. Oops. Did I not grab it? Oh yeah, because I had that. That's the wrong one. So, sorry. There we go. And then F8 for I agree. Let's see what it runs at. Yeah, that's what we want. Format it into NTFS. This is bringing back so many memories. So let's just see how long this takes. So I'm just seeing how long this will take. It's Windows XP, so it shouldn't take that long to actually install. Well, I'm hoping anyway. Let's see, setup is copying files. This brings back so many memories. Anyone who installed Windows XP in the day. As you can see, it's actually Professional, Windows XP Professional, so that was the most popular one around for ages. I know for a fact that only a few years ago some people were still using Windows XP Professional. And there probably is someone using Windows XP Professional right now, because there's probably some software or something that only runs on Windows XP. But I think that will be it for now, because the installation process is basically the same. You just let it install, set up your username and password, and that's basically it, how you install. It's the same process for any other virtual machine, whether it's Linux or another Windows machine, same thing. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video of setting up a VM with KVM, and I'll see you all next time.